Today we are discuss about the JNU 2017 physics paper. Here the visible spectrum has wavelength in the range 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer and the angular spread of the first order visible spectrum produced by a plane diffraction grating having 6000 lines per centimeter. So we know the grating element is equals to A plus B. A is width of this is the problem with the pen, width of each slit. This is A, and B is the opaque spacing between two consecutive slits. This is the opaque spacing between two consecutive slits. So here this B is the width of each slit and this B is opaque spacing is between two consecutive slits. A is width of each slit. So this A plus B is written as this number of lines in centimeter. So we can written as this number of lines in meter divided by 6000. So this can be written as 1 by 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. This is in meter. This is width of each slit. So here we can write this A plus B sin theta n is equals to lambda. So sin theta n is equals to lambda by A plus B. This is the sin theta n is equals to lambda by A plus B. So theta n is equals to sin inverse lambda by A plus B. So theta n is equal to sin inverse, the lambda is for 400 nanometer, we can write for 400 nanometer this 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 1 by 6 into 10 to the power minus 5. This equals to 13.8865 degree. This is the theta for lambda equals to 400 nanometer, and for the other for lambda equals to 700 nanometer, for lambda equals to 700 nanometer, we have theta n dash is equals to sin inverse 7 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 1 by 6 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is given in the question. So theta n dash is equals to 24.83846 degree. If we calculate this, so delta theta is equals to this 24.8346 degree minus in previous this is 13.8865 is equals to 10.948 degree. This is the delta theta. So here the angle is 10.948 degree. So the answer option C is correct. Answer option C is correct for this question. This is C. This is the angular speed of the first order visible spectrum. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can comment in the comment box and WhatsApp us in this number 98367 93076. You can WhatsApp us in this number 98367 93076. So that's all for today.